friends, we are going to continue next part of second topic, that's pregnancy. As the pregnancy means the condition of carrying one or more embryo in uterus. It's also called as the gestation period. The pregnancy, it's basically referred to the period between fertilization of the egg up to parturition. As the average period of pregnancy is last for average 266 days from fertilization of egg, or it may consider as the 280 days from the start of the last menstrual cycle. This last menstrual cycle, it also indicates as the LMC, means 266 days plus 14 days. This pregnancy period is approximately 9 months. It's divided it into 3 trimesters or stages of the 3, and each of the trimester stage it is of the 3 months. The changes that takes place during the 3 trimester are as follows. So, in the first trimester, it is the period of most radical changes occurred in mother and embryo. This embryo, it receives the nutrients in the first 2 to 4 weeks directly from the endometrium. It is the main period of organogenesis, means there is a formation of, or there is a development of the body organs, because the 3 germ layer which is formed, that is the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. All these 3 germ layer, it's resulted into the formation of the organs. That's the organogenesis process which is continue or which is occurred in the first trimester stages. By the end of 8 weeks, means 2 months, all the major structures are of adult are formed. The embryo, it is called as the fetus, and this embryo or the fetus, it's near about the 3 centimeter long. In mother, high level of progesterone initiates. There is in the baby, there is the formation of, or there is the development of the arm, hand, fingers, feet. All these organs are formed in the fetus. The fetus can open and close the mouth. The central nervous system, it's a fully formed in the fetus. Working of excretory circulatory system, it's begins. The movement of the fetus begins, but the mother cannot feel it. It's an important phenomena. The heartbeat of the fetus can be heard from 6 weeks. By the end of the first trimester, the fetus is about 7 to 10 centimeter long. As what changes occurred in the mother body, as there is the growth of the maternal placenta, means this placenta, it's increasing in the size, and the uterus, this uterus, it become more expand, the uterus become large, ovulation and the menstrual cycle is stopped, and the progesterone level, it's become high. As in this period, the mother experience, that is a morning sickness, nausea, vomiting or the mood swing. This is important changes occurred in the first 3 months in the mother and the fetus. The second trimester, this second trimester, it's a form 13th to 26th week. It is a period of rapid growth of fetus. During the second trimester, the uterus grow enough. So you can see here the uterus grow enough for pregnancy. The fetus is very active and grow up to near about the 30 centimeter long. As the development of the brain is begins, the hormones levels stabilize as the human chronic gonadotrophic hormone. This hormone level is decline. The corpus luteum it deteriorates and the placenta is completely take over the production of the progesterone hormone. Means this placenta it start functioning as the production of the progesterone hormone, and this progesterone hormone whenever it is formed in the uterus region which is formed by the placenta means the pregnancy is maintained. The most significant phenomena which is occurred in the second trimester stages, that is a ultrasound sonography at the 18 to 20 week shows the baby growth and the position of the baby. Using the data from the ultrasound, the estimated due to the date of delivery can be established. The baby movement can be easily felt by the mother. The head of the baby, you can see her, the head of the baby, it's having the hair. There is a development of eyebrows, eyelashes, then there is a formation of the pinna. All these organs are very distinct. The baby reach half the size of the newborn baby during during the second trimester stages. Then the next phenomena we see, that's the third trimester stages. It also says as the final trimester stages. It's a form 27th week till the parturition. The fetus grow about 3 to 4 kg. You can see here, this one is a very large in size. It's near about the 50 centimeter in length. The fetus can now open its eyes. The fetus can open its eyes. There is a gain in the body weight. The body weight it goes on increasing. The fetus grow. The uterus it become more expand. So you can see the uterus it become more expand. The mother abdominal organ due to the expanding the uterus, the abdominal organ that is the intestine, then the backbone means a vertebral column, it become compressed. The abdominal organ it's a compressed. It causes the frequent urination, digestive blockage and the strain in the back muscles. At the end of the third trimester, the fetus become fully developed and it's ready for parturition. So you can see here that's a changes occurs in embryo during the pregnancy. After the 1 month, the heart is formed. End of the second month, the limb and the digits are developed. At the end of 12 week, that's the first trimester stage is complete. The major organs, limb, external genital organs are well developed. During the fifth month, the first movement of the fetus or the fetus and appearance of the hairs on the head. End of 24 week, that is the end of second trimester stages. The body is covered with the fine hairs, eyelids separated, eyelashes are formed, and at the end of the 9 months, it's ready for delivery. Hope so. You understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.